Yo, what's up, guys? Back for another little video today. It's Sunday. Got some time to put something together. I want to show you guys a little something that I bought for the Chevelle. So, one more part to the list. We got a new shifter. So, let's get this thing unboxed. I want to show you guys what's going on. So, just some quick background history on this thing. This was almost damn near impossible to get right now. I don't know why. I ordered this shifter in December. I had the black on black, or the black outlaw edition that they made with the 2 buttons for trans brake and 2-step and whatnot. But the delivery date kept getting pushed back like month to month. So December, they said, oh, January turned to February turned to March, and so on. So at the end of March, I ended up canceling it, and I was just trying to source a regular billet in black outlaw shifter that they had. So turned out Jegs had one in stock. I went to order it, and just happened on the same day that as soon as I went to place the order, the only one they had sold out. So I went to Summit Racing, and it showed that they had one left in stock, and that was it. So I called them to verify they had it, which they did, and it showed up on my doorstep 3 days later. So finally, we got the shifter. Let's get this thing opened up. I already opened this because I was too excited. I wanted to put it together, but I want to show you guys what it looks like, what it came with. Got some hardware here for the trans line adapters. There's a shifter cable. Drum roll please. Da, 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 da. Look at this thing. Whoa. This thing is fucking sweet. Look at this. TCI Outlaw. I changed the gate in it already, so it's set up for a Turbo 400 reverse shift pattern. This thing is sweet. It's got some nice pins on it, so you can pop the cover off. I actually am not going to take it off right now because actually I could do it. It's not a big deal. Take this off. We'll do that after, because it has a little screw in the back. But let me get this camera set up on a tripod so I can show you how this thing works. But honestly, I wanted it in black on black, but after seeing it in person with the billet in the black, I think that this was the way to go. It matches the car, so let's take it apart. All right. So we got the lockout over here. You just have to remove this to take the cover off. Pull these pins. Click that back. Slide that off. So originally, when you buy this, it comes with the gate plate that is set up a little different. So it's actually 321 on this. So you have to change this plate. I don't have the part numbers in front of me. They give you the additional plate when you order it with the kit. So I had to change this right here to make it for the reverse shift pattern, and then they give you, oh, drop my nuts, don't want to lose those. And you have different options here for different plates that they provide with this shifter. So the new gate installed, you can see has the lock, and then the lockout over here for reverse. And we'll put it back together and show you how it works. Let's do that. So let me show you how this works now. This thing's pretty sick. Sounds like a 12 gauge shotgun. Just getting cocked and loaded. So you have you're in park now. You'll squeeze it, reverse, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, or drive. So you go back up, 2, 1, squeeze it, neutral. Then you have your reverse lockout, reverse, park. This thing is rowdy. It's gonna take some getting used to, but this thing's pretty nasty. I can't wait to try it in the car. It just has this feel to it that is like ridiculous. Super solid. I'm gonna have to put it on a pedestal in the car or some kind of mount. I gotta measure and just see how high it's gonna be next to the driver's seat. Make sure everything's good. But this is a badass piece of equipment right here. Comes with everything you need, all the hardware. You gotta get the cable mounted on the trans. They got the brackets there, and then that's just one more piece out of the way. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I'm in love with the way it looks. Thing looks nasty. Great piece by TCI. They make this for the Power Glides, Turbo 400, 350. All the gates are interchangeable, so you can make it work with whatever you have, pretty much, for autos. But anyways, that's it for now. Just want to keep the Chevelle updates rolling little by little as new parts come in. That way I don't have to do it all at once and try and introduce a whole bunch of shit in one video. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna get this thing in the car. Hopefully start ripping through some gear soon. And yeah, so just a little update today. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video, comment. If you want to see something else with the car, just let me know. I've had a few people sending messages asking questions about how certain things have been done so far. I'm no LS expert yet, but I will help you the best I can. So if you have any questions, just leave it in a comment. I'll get back to it as quick as I can. And yeah, thanks for watching. So we'll see you on the next update. Happy Sunday, everybody.